training had to be cut to
Ja,
10.
ich schieß trotzdem.
Seconds.
War nicht fertig.
So move it. The duck will teach you how to scan.
All right, recruit. Scan those packages with your skill. Just aim and pull it. Hey! No, it's on. Now listen here, Buster. You've got a big order today, so go scan packages somewhere else. Sheesh, what a way to run a railroad.
Looks like your first deliveries are here in Cartoon Junction. Just scan all those targets. Hey, pay attention. You got an in-home delivery coming up.
It's a good thing I've got 9 lives.
You know, animals won't put it that way.
Not bad. Now let's see how you do with the barnyard delivery.
Good thing I say good things come to those who wait. That dog's about as sharp as a bag of hammers. Pay attention, son. I'm a rooster, not a dog.
Next stop is all the way in Tasmania.
Maybe you can even let students take you
You're behind schedule. This next delivery is to our most loyal customer, so don't mess this one up. Okay, Acme delivery crew, you're now cleared to exit Earth's orbit.
Where's the kaboom? There's supposed to be a earth-shattering kaboom! Duck Dodgers!
Look, bud, there just ain't enough room for the two of us. Of course you realize this means more.
Oh, goody! Landed on Mars!
You can't blow up the Earth. All the people I know are there.
It's obstructing my view of Venus. Halt and be fricasseed!
Fortunately, I'm wearing my disintegration-proof vest. You're despicable. A little help, please?
Where'd you go? Mars? Oh yeah, there's one last delivery stop. You scan as much as you can. This route ain't over till the fat pony sings.
Mein Finger, mein Finger.
Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit?
I will do it with my spear and magic bell.